All right, so I took the angle grinder and I ground off those. I ground off these handles for the old style tower burners. The inside's looking pretty rough. I've been using the 2-inch cup brush and a 4-inch cup brush. Harbor Freight, Craftsman. As you can see there in the corner, I've got a lot of scale. I'm about halfway done. That was with the 2-inch brush. I just leaned across there. Had to go in and get cleaned up. I was full of junk. Anyway, haven't started on the lid. I did take a brush to the grate, to the grill. I think it's gonna go really well. Once I get it, I'm gonna pressure wash it. Then I'm gonna paint the inside. Give you a good look here. Grill's looking good. You see it's silver. See there's some silver parts back here towards the back of the pit. It is still a little rusty. That's what the 4-inch. I'm going to start with the 4-inch tomorrow. Do that. Took the wire brush to the outside, knocked down off all the big scale, especially down there at the bottom. I haven't hit the underside here, the undercarriage. I am gonna hit the fenders and the sides tomorrow. This side also, with the smoke box. I took some PB brake free, put on there. All I need is one. It's good to go. You pan out. She's in rough shape, but she's looking better. It's looking better. I keep calling it a she. I don't care. She's looking good. Yeah, so soon. I'm gonna paint it. I haven't decided what color, whether I'm gonna paint it red or black or Packers green and gold. Maybe Packers green and gold, and have a Go Pack Go on the back, door, on the pop-up door. Go Pack Go. That'd be pretty awesome. Well, we'll figure it out. Yep. Catch you on the flip side.